On this new short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve Instagram black screen camera problem easily and fast. First thing you want to do, guys, is open the settings on your phone. Go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then go to the Instagram app. Now, all what you want to do on this page is click on this force stop option and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and go back to the settings on your phone. Open the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and then disable it. Now, last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, go to the search bar and search for Instagram and then make sure to update it into the latest version from here by clicking on this option. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this short video until the end. I hope it was helpful and thank you so much. See you later.